That was my question. It's a nice little segue now, because my next question was, like, how did you get into social media? Because you moved from Jamaica, come America, you create a life for yourself, and you say, COVID is what really make you go to boom and step out.
Me used to work out hard, you know.
Yeah.
Like, powerlifting and shit.
Word.
If you check out, you can check out Vibes Fitness. Yeah, man, powerlifting. For my weight and thing, me a bench press 300 pounds. Easy. Deadlift 600 pounds.
Damn.
And I might think my leg mag about 405 was my max.
Damn.
You see it? And then the problem now, damn COVID come hit.
Yeah.
And then when COVID hit, why, me never really, for that time, because I go to the gym, like, when I left work, because I do construction.
Okay.
And when I left work, normally, I would go straight to the gym. But because the COVID come in now, I never did have nothing to do.
Word.
You see, that 3 hours there from I left work, then now, what else me I go do? I normally go to the gym.
Yeah.
So, them I say, you have to take the vaccine for go to the gym. I say, brother, if it kill me, I take the whole of them vaccine there. I'm no business. A lot of people say, I'm not take the vaccine.
Yeah.
So what? I need to go to the gym. Need to go to the gym. So I just said, so boom, bam, take 2 vaccine or whatever them call it. 2 of them me take. Then now me I go to the gym for the year. After that, them cut out the gym altogether because them see a lot of people there get the COVID in the gym still. You see it? So then now me don't know what the hell to do. Me go take vaccine.
Yeah.
Now me can't go to the gym. Like, you know, like what me I go do? So maybe I make some stories on Instagram before. You know, them used to say world star and thing. I was that type of guy where any little foolishness me see a road, me grab up my phone and said so.
Yeah.
World star, 6 buzz Canada, 6 buzz them say.
Okay.
You see it? 1 and 2 time them post up my thing them. So the girl me there talk to before, she's just like, she mad at me, or a gym girl too. She's like, yo, why you always a post up all them things and you not make no money from it?
Yeah.
Why you know go try this? Yeah, try this thing, TikTok. I say, what the bomb bat? I think, oh, the blood clot this. TikTok.
Yeah.
I go up on it, I see people that dance like, you know, they dance, them, yeah, all of that, yeah. I say, wait, what the blood clot this? So I'm try it. I try some of them, the cringe down. I said, so
Yeah.
you get like 12 views. I say, wow.
Delete.
You see it? Yeah. Them time them I had Instagram before, because I Instagram them used to make the story, right? Story, and you know, people used to like it. Them used to laugh. Me used to drive in my car, and I play music, and me sing out the music them. You know, sing out the music them. Early morning, I give people vibes. So when them touch a story, them can see something new. Them the vibe, that me used to do. So my stories, I get lots of views.
Yeah.
But me never post it.
Yeah.
Once the story gone, that's it. Another day, 24 hours, I come and make something new.
Okay.
Any little thing. Sometimes me I do some prank. Anything me I do pan story. But
So
once it gone...
So why stories though are never... Because I think Reels was about them time there, right? Reels
man.
Reels never come out them time there?
Man. Reels
In a
never
COVID?
come. This about... No, man. Reels never out there like that. No,
but you had 1 minute post though, on Instagram. You had 1 minute post on Instagram them time there.
Yes, you can post it, but
So
keep in mind...
what made you do the stories instead of actual posts
Because
where them stay?
I wasn't a social media guy. I'm not a social media guy. I just post these for fun.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I just post it out there because more of the people them will follow me for see this. I mean, yes, the 6 buzz and them we take the clip off of my story, because they did that quite a few times, and post it pan them thing.
Okay.
You know what I mean? And a lot of time, I'm not gonna lie to you, even when them post it, sometimes I look through the comments, them I say, why this guy shouting so much? He's so cringe. He's not even Jamaican. Why this, why that?
If only them did know.
If only them did know. So, I just say, all right, boom. The ex-girl say, I'm for try out TikTok. And yeah, I did try out the dance, them and this and that. Get my 10 views, my 20 views. Then I did do skits. I did do like a skits.
Oh, it was a skit.
Yeah, man. I did do like a skits,
Okay.
man. You see it? But my skits them was very vulgar. You know, me cursing. Because, you know, already.
Yeah.
You hear some me, where the blood clot is? It, like, I did already a curse. I do a lot of cursing. And all of them things that I do. But I have a job, a construction job, my work. And I say, Jano, I don't want to quit my job for go do them things, you know. Right. And I need And the skits them take time.
They do.
You have to go edit this, you have to get people for come in, you have to pay for this, pay for that. It take time.
A lot
What
of
can
energy.
I say to myself, what can I do? What content can I make? I can go out there, go work, come back home with that 3 hours me used to use for the gym and do content in that 3 hours. What can I do?
Yeah.
Possibly can I do? Me never say me did stop TikTok for a while because to me it was cringe. Me stop it for 6 months.
Yeah.
And me did go back.
Okay.
And I so come me go back on the drawing board. I said, what can I do? And then one day I just try this little reaction thing. I'm say, you, the fuck, like, me try it, I'm even rewatch it, I say, you, I'm say like 50,000 views. I say to blood clot. Easy. Brother, you see, from that, I post like 10, 20 reaction a day.
Damn.
A day.
Damn.
That 3 hours there when me dey using at the gym, me I use that 3 hours there. As me reach home, like when you're a kid, as you reach home, you turn on the TV and watch a cartoon.
Facts.
As me
Dragon Ball
reach
Z.
home, I put up my tripod, me just have react to video.
Damn.
You see it? And
So-
sometimes it never, all of them never get views.
But all of them never get views, but me know sure for can tell us at least couple of them hit
At
well.
least couple of them hit well.
Me know
and
that for a
that
fact.
time, it was like my 50,000, my 100,000 views. It was just like, wow.
Yeah.
And brother, I just can't. I say I do it for almost 2 years straight. I
Yeah.
post like 20 videos every day. Me, I tell you that.
Jaja.
Some people think it's easy. You know what I mean? I never go up on Instagram yet because I feel like, say, people are going to laugh at me on Instagram. Yeah.
Even with the following on TikTok, they
Brother, I
them
feel like people are going to laugh at me. Instagram people, people on Instagram just watch
no
people.
joke,
Just watch people. That's all them
You know
do.
them call them over there?
Criticize people.
Monitoring spirit.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie to you. At a time, TikTok was like that for me too. Sometimes they mean I'm a comment. Why is this guy acting like that? He's not Jamaican. He's not.
Yeah.
So it's like a levels. Me get no views. Then me start get a little bit views. People hate me. Then when me reach a different position, people them love me. Then them start hate me again. Then now me have a lot more views on everything. Now them start loving me again.
That's how it is.
You know what I mean?
Social media is so fickle.
Yeah.
That's why I tell everybody, say, it don't matter how far I reach, no matter what I accomplish, bro, I will forever be grounded because I'm not going to let this wonder world, this fairy world trick me into believing that, I'm invincible or this.
Yeah, true. So
you have to stay grounded because tomorrow, them have your yes, sir.
yeah.
And then
So-
see, you do something I certainly don't like, next day,
And that me
You're
go for
done
you
for.
tell you now, yes. For like 1 year straight, me a post. And then me notice me start get community violations.
whoa.
Me used
Half
to
a-
get
half
them.
a
So
reacting.
remember, yes, 20 video me a post a day. Out of 20 a day, me I get like 2 community violation. How you forget community violation for react to videos? They must say the video me a post have fire in it. But me a react to a man we post the video we have fire upon it already.
Yeah.
So now me put it on my page.
A problem.
So me if I one day say for somebody I report my page.
Got to be.
Me I say to wait.
Got to.
So me keep on seeing that for like 3 months straight. And one day me I tell you, brother, we go so see it again. Them say your account is permanently banned. Boom, gone. Me say me almost ball, brother.
People
Use
wicked
the
in the
whole
man.
of my gym time, everything, and 800,000 followers me reach on TikTok.
Damn.
Me almost ball. Brother, I couldn't believe it. Me on my phone, so
Jaja.
it gone, brother. Me couldn't do
Jaja.
nothing.
Jaja.
I call and message some people, and a man I tell me, say, yo, brother, him know somebody at TikTok give him $5,000 and him get it back for me. $5,000, and me I say, Jano, me have to go pay $5,000 to get this back. Me I go get my views, me I go get everything.
Alright, this song.
Yes. See the party, see the. I need a fat girl tonight for the party.
This episode was sponsored by Saka Saka. Unleash your inner beast.